Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today we will learn and write 10 names of prophets. Number 1. Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Number 2. Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. Number 3. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Number 4. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Number 5. Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Number 6. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Number 7. Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam. Number 8. Hazrat Daud alayhi salam. Number 9. Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam. Number 10. Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.